Hi there. Today we will talk about parametric equations. And this is the question that someone asked me just today, and I thought to make a video about it. This question is related to a parametric function, and this is a pretty common question if you are learning pre-calculus from Ron Larson book. So to understand parametric function, we need to keep in mind these following things. A parametric equations, it is just a type of equation that but it is different from a normal equation. How? It has independent variable which we call as a parameter and which is denoted by a lowercase t. Another important thing is that it has a dependent variable, and dependent variables are defined as the continuous functions of the parameter. And the most important thing is that are not dependent on any other existing variable. So if you understand the basic structure of the parametric equations, the type of questions that is listed right here, though it seems to be a little bit overwhelming, but it is not that hard to deal with. So let's understand this question and let's get started. Okay, to start with this question, they have given us a parametric equation. See, this is the parametric equation that is given to us. And based on this parametric equation, this is this equation, right? And if you read the question properly, they have mentioned that the height is 7 feet. And the another interesting thing, at a height of 4 feet and 30 yards. So first, what we will do, we will convert 30 yards into feet. What is the changing? How we change 30 yards into a feet? So I know that 1 yard is nothing but 3 feet. That means we are talking about 30 yards as 90 feet. And these two things will give us a ground to start my equation with. So we have x is equal to cos 39 degrees t. Why 39 degrees? Here you go. The pass is released at an angle of 39 degrees. So in this equation, instead of theta, we will put 39 degrees. Now the another set of equation would be y. Y is equal to, and whatever the equation they have given us, we will plug the information. What is height in this case? Height is 7 feet. So instead of h, I will put 7 right there, plus, and then theta is 39 degrees. So for your understanding, you can put theta as 39 degrees. And then I will keep on writing the equation as it is. So now we have created our equation based on the angle and based on the height. Now let's try to simplify it. Now we will use the first equation. This is my first equation and this is my second. From the first equation, we will try to find what is the how we can define the variable t. So I can define by rewriting my second equation and putting x as 90 in this case. So if I undo it using the concept of undoing the terms, the inverse operation, I can isolate t. So if I isolate t, I will get t is equal to 90 over the whole entire function right there. Now we have t here. Let's plug the value of t in equation 2. So we will start by plugging in the value of t in equation 2. So equation 2 was something like this. Sine 39 degree. Instead of t, I will put the whole entire thing that we just got, 39 degrees, and then minus 16 and everything, because t is 90 over velocity cos 39 degrees, and squared because t was squared. This is what we are getting right now. Now, if you can analyze, if you can see closely, I can cross off a few things. This, not the whole entire thing, but only the velocity. Sine and cos will remain. So I can rewrite it as 7 plus, and sine and cosine, they will be joined together. So 90 tangent 39 degrees minus 16, and if I simplify it, 90 times 90 is 8100, and then square the velocity, cos square 39 degrees. Now how I got tangent here? Because tangent theta is nothing but sine theta over cos theta. So that's what we are doing. So based on that, we will continue to simplify our equation right there. Okay, so let's move down a little bit. Let's finish the whole entire equation. We have y is equal to this. Now, if you have read the question properly, the y was given as 4 feet. Now it is the right time to plug the value of y here. So instead of y, I will put 4 here, and then I can subtract 7 both sides. So it will give me 90 tangent 39 degrees minus 16, and then 8100. Then I will just keep on writing the whole entire thing. Right? Now this will give us negative 3. And then I can simplify. I can multiply 16 with 8100. So 90 tangent 39 degrees. And if I multiply 16 times 8100, it should be 129600. Then squared cos squared 39 degrees. Now we will solve for velocity. So if I solve for the velocity and I can undo the equation, we will get velocity squared is 129600 cos squared 39 degrees times 90 tangent 39 degrees plus 3. Now we can plug everything in the calculator, but be sure, because it is velocity squared, so finally I have to take a radical of everything. So when I plugged it in the calculator, I got velocity as approximately 53.18 feet per second. So my advice is to read the question a little bit slow and properly to try to make sense of it, what information is given to us. If you go back to the question right here, basically they have highlighted everything. They have highlighted everything in red. Can you see there? 30 yards, we converted into 90 feet, right? And we plug the value 90 here, 90 here. Yes, 4 feet is the y value. So y value is 4 feet and the x value is 90. Everything is given. Height is given as 7 feet. Theta is given as 39 degree. They have given you the function. So if you can identify these key points, what is height, what is x, what is y, what is the angle they are asking for, you just have to plug it in the given equation and solve for it. I hope it made sense, and try to watch this maybe more than once if it doesn't make sense, and use a calculator to calculate the values and see whether you got the same answer as I got. Bye-bye.